Hey guys, it's Tassie, and today I'm going to show you how to make Herbalife Blueberry Brownies. First, I'm starting off with our Formula 1 cookies and cream. I'm doing 4 scoops. Next, I'm doing our protein drink mix vanilla, and I'm doing 6 scoops. Next, I'm adding our baking goods mix, and I'm doing 2 scoops. This already has baking powder in it, so you won't need to add that. Next, I'm adding PB Thick, which you can usually find at Walmart. I have the Great Value brand. It works just as good. Next, I'm adding some Trivia Sweetener, and I'm adding half a cup. Next, I'm adding half a cup of oats. Then I'm adding white chocolate chips. And I'm going to be baking these at 350 for 20 minutes. Going to be adding a tablespoon of cinnamon. And that's it for the dry. Next, I'm going to be adding a cup of egg whites. And then about a cup and a half of silk almond milk. Again, you're going to want a thicker kind of batter, like a brownie. So you may need to add a little less, a little bit more, kind of add it to how thick you need to get it. Next, I'm going to add about half a bag of frozen blueberries. And then that's it. And then I'm going to put them in my brownie pan. It makes about 12 brownies. Put them in the oven. And while they're in the oven, I'm going to be melting my almond bark. I use about 6 cubes to top my brownies with. And then top them. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.